Yo, 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 it's Big Ant, man. We back. Another edition of Urban Politicians TV. I had to come tap in today with something a little bit different. You know me, I'm all about the entrepreneurship. If you've been following the channel, we rocking with everybody who's trying to build something, especially out the mud, independently. And especially, women. We got to show love to the women. I know this has been a male-based platform most of the time, but we tapped in today with Miss Jackson. She does credit repair out here in Houston, Texas. So introduce yourself to the people. Tell them your name and things like that and where you from.
I'm Chastity. I'm from Houston. I grew up in Northwood Mountain, so Homestead area, right behind Big City.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yeah, shout out to Homestead, man. Shout out to Northwood Mountain 503, all that over there. That's Northeast
What
Houston.
You know about that?
I'm everywhere. I'm everywhere with it. I'm Northeast, Northwest.
So you know about Smiley, Forest Brook, all that?
My cousin went to Smiley.
That's why I went to Smiley, I went to Forest Brook.
Okay.
I graduated from North Forest, so you had to put them together.
Put them together. Okay, so damn, you a little bit younger then.
Yeah.
Younger. Nah, my kinfolk. Well, you know what the club, what it is, Blue Ocean. Was it Blue Ocean on
Blue Steel?
Huh?
Blue Steel?
The one that was on Mesa back in the day that everybody used to go to.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. I can't think of the name, but
okay, my uncle used to own that club. Mm-hmm. And then my other uncle owned Seville on Mesa.
Okay.
Club Seville. So like I'm rooted over there, Lakewood. I got partners at City Gas. I got partners at Fontaine. I don't really know a lot of people in Scenic Wood, but I got one homie from Scenic Wood. His granny stay over there and stuff. So I'm all up through there. I done spent nights over there before, so I know about that area. I'm all over. So talk about what it was like for you growing up over there. That's a deeply rooted black historical neighborhood.
It is.
Yeah.
I remember, it's crazy because I remember we used to walk the streets. Like, that's how we did. Walk the streets, walk to the store, go to Big City. Big City, that was the store.
Okay.
They used to have the block parties. Like, it was crazy. I can honestly say that growing up over there, like, taught me a lot. Like,
okay.
It really did.
Yeah.
But, I mean, it was a struggle, but at the same time, it wasn't.
You know what would be crazy with black homes? I think when people say like struggle, you know what I'm saying? Because you might not have nothing. Like, you might miss out on the new pair of shoes.
Mm-hmm.
You might miss out on this or that. But like, if your parents be rocking with you and your family love you, you got your brothers and your sisters, and you going to school and you got your friends up the street, you damn near be even. It's like you don't even really be knowing you struggling almost. Like me, I grew up in a single parent home. My tea lady got it in, did everything she had to do. Mm-hmm. My pops did what he did, you know what I'm saying? He did that time and shit though, so it was just me and my tea lady. But at the same time, they was already divorced when I was born and shit, broken up. So I just say that to say this, like that love and like knowing somebody care for you, that shit right there kind of keep you, like that your childhood be fun as fuck. You know what I'm saying?
It was. My grandpa.
Yeah.
He had a trucking business. It was called Jackson Trucking.
Okay.
So I was raised on my grandparents. So whatever I wanted, I had it. But when he died, it was like everybody had to wake up and go to work.
Okay. So. For sure. And the one thing over there too, it's one of them that Northeast Homestead. Really, a lot of the black neighborhoods in H-Town, it's like they be fast and slow at the same time. It'd be crazy because it'd be a lot of fast shit going on, but at the same time, it's still laid back. So, man, yeah, shout out to that whole homestead, Northwood, man, 503. It's all love, man. So, I originally met you last year, and we had talked about an interview. I think you was just kind of getting your stuff going with the credit repair. And we was doing mostly real estate at that time, I think.
I was.
And we was trying to get something set up. It ended up not working out. And then recently I saw you again. So what made you really jump into this lane of business and credit repair now first over real estate? You do credit repair, but you actually do real estate for the people that you repair credit for.
Exactly. So what happened was, so I got my license in real estate, and I'm not gonna lie, people make real estate seem like it's like the fucking dream and it's easy. It's really not. It's really hard, to be honest with you. But it was like I kept running into people that wanted to buy a house, but they couldn't buy a house because their credit, I'm gonna just say, it was just fucked up.
Okay.
And it was like, damn, like every time I thought I had a deal, I didn't have a deal because we couldn't get to the next step because their credit was messed up. So I had a guy in Atlanta I always refer him to. And the guy was just like, won't you, invest in learning how to do credit? And I'm like, I don't want to do that. But he was like, he go hand in hand with what you're doing. You getting real estate clients anyway, so you can take them through the whole process. So it took a couple of months for me to actually sit there and think about it. But once I thought about it, I ended up investing into it. And that was the best thing I could have ever did, because now I can walk my client through the whole process. I can help them fix their credit. I can get them a house, get them a car, whatever it is that they need. I can help them through that process. But it all starts with the credit.
Gotcha. So credit is everything in America.
It is. You could not have no money, but if you got credit, you got money.
It's crazy because I got good credit, but I do understand the process of, like, you got to pay that bill every month. So you got to have money coming in.
You do.
And I got great credit. It's crazy, but I know, like, okay, you got to have some paper coming in to get this shit.
You do.
And whatever you buy is gonna sit there.
Mm-hmm.
But I do want to say this too. Me personally, that real estate shit, I always in my mind felt that shit was hard. Even like when I was coming out of high school or whatever, I was like, bro, real estate, you got to convince somebody to sign $100,000.
Yes.
And I know this is a great market here in Houston because of, we build and we got so much land and space, and people out here do believe in buying homes as opposed to other cities like on the West Coast. Some of the people don't believe in buying homes out there. I know, like in Atlanta, they believe in buying homes, certain southern states, but certain states, they believe in renting. So I be like, dang, that real estate shit got to be tough.
It is. It's the people not coming to you, you got to go to them. You got to go to them and get it. Like, I remember I got my first deal from being on the phones, making phone calls. I'm calling expireds. I'm, trying to convince them to let me sell their house. So it's a lot of work.
Dang, yeah, that's real. So what would you say, okay, with the credit repair thing, and we ain't got to get to your, I don't want you to give up your sauce and your flavor and then what all you do. So what is the whole concept? You just basically walking people through on exactly what they need to do to get their situation together, and they kind of like spending money with you in that aspect, or you getting a percentage in that aspect?
So when a client comes to me, I actually I do free consultations. So anybody that comes to me, I'm sitting down, I'm analyzing the whole credit report. Okay. So I'm seeing what type of negative items, what type of derogatory accounts they have on there, what we need to do to actually get them removed so they can be able to build credit. But first, I sit down and I actually talk to them about what is it that they're trying to do, because everybody's expectations are different. So I'm sitting down. Most people that come to me, they want to buy a house. Every now and then I have a person that want to start a business or want to get a car or something like that. But I sit down and I figure out exactly what is it that they're trying to do to even see if I can help them, because I can't, it ain't for everybody.
Gotcha.
So once I figure out what it is that they want to do, we look at their credit. We talk about the negative items that they have on there, what we need to do to remove them. And then at that point, if they decide they want to move forward, I do charge them a fee and we get to working on it.
Okay. Y'all got to tap in with it. Y'all need y'all credit repair, business, free consultations. That's what's called, consultations, right? You can't beat that. Give them your Instagram while we're talking about it, where they can get information they can get in contact with you.
So my Instagram is msjackson the realtor. My website is divinepowergroup.com. So DIVINE powergroup.com.
Okay, y'all make sure y'all get in contact with her. If y'all need that credit repaired, you thinking about getting a house or your credit ain't right, get with her. It's the person, hey, she right here.
And it's not just, repairing your credit. It's also building credit. Because sometimes I have people that want to build credit. Like I had a client, who needed to build their credit. We build her credit up. She went and got a car, got lines of credit. So it's not just repair. It's building too.
For sure. So, okay, in this game, in any type of business, any business you run, even with me doing interviews, anything like that, it's going to be hard parts of dealing with people. What is the hardest thing in this business when it comes to dealing with the actual customers and the clients and the people at hand? What do you think is the hardest part?
The hardest part, I guess I would say the hardest part is right now it's just me. Okay. I'm the only person that's doing everything. So having all these clients trying to talk to me at one time, that's the hardest part.
Okay.
So me having to try to delegate, the business side or help. Yeah. So I would say that's the hardest part right now.
Yeah, I understand. Because it is hard when you by yourself, you one deep, me, and then you got to be a little bit professional than me. And me, I do all type of crazy whatever. It don't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but I know.
And then not only that, like people when they want something, they want it right now. Like they don't understand. Like it's a process. Like I can't call you back right now or do this right now. Like you gotta go through the process.
And me dealing with mostly like 80% rapper, I know who I can and talk, and I know who trying to get down and get over or be disrespectful. Me being in an urban community, excuse my language, you too, whatever. I could just say, hey, fuck you, nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying? Don't matter. Like, but here you can't say that because you like whatever. Right. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
when people get a little aggravated and disrespectful with you, you might have to accept it. And me, I don't have to. It's like, hey, what the fuck you say? Fuck you. Like, I just don't deal with them no more. I can just be out their way. So yeah, I can understand that part of the game. So what do you want to take this to? Do you want to get your own firm? You want to have your own, like, just hold everything and compound, or you just kind of want to just do it on the level that you're doing a good job. You know what I'm saying? First and foremost, that's why I'm here. So what do you see it expanding? What do you want to expand it to in the long run?
So I do want it to expand. To be honest with you, I really just wanted to be a business that could help people, like educate people first of all on credit, because a lot of people don't know what credit is or how to use credit. I just wanted to be a company that educates people on how to use credit, how to build credit, and to just help them get whatever it is that they want. But I also just want to build it too to where I could kind of myself like bag out of it and just for it to just flow by itself, but mainly to just help people get what they want, whatever their goals are.
Okay. That's what's up, man. That's the goal. Miss Jackson the Realtor on Instagram. Y'all make sure y'all tap in with her. Anything else you want to tell them that you feel they should know about your situation and how to get in contact with you? Anything else that you feel like we're leaving out?
If you want to get in contact with me, go to the website. It's divinepowergroup.com again. I do free consultations. If you need to repair your credit, build your credit, whether you're trying to get a house, you're trying to get a car, if you just want some lines of credit, whatever it is that you want, 9 times out of 10, I can help you get that. You just gotta be willing to go through the process, and it's more than just fixing it. Like I really like my clients to understand how credit works, so I go through that whole process to help you understand it. Also, too, I'm doing a Black Friday special, so I'm doing 50% off my services. So, yeah.
Black Friday, y'all tap in, man, and she works off appointment. So
yes,
make sure y'all
That's key.
She works off appointment. Black Friday specials. Y'all tap in with her, Miss Jackson the Realtor. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel Urban Politicians TV, and y'all follow me on Instagram at urbanpoliticians_Big Ant. And my other Instagram page for the other bullshit, at Urban Politicians TV, just at Urban Politicians TV. Appreciate y'all tapping in 1,000.